Your next trip abroad could come with a passport that's making headlines for all the right and wrong reasons. The U.S. government is rolling out a special edition passport featuring the 47th President, Donald J. Trump, front and center. This isn't just a minor tweak or a hidden watermark. It's a bold, unmistakable statement. This isn't a subtle update. It's a star-spangled makeover timed perfectly for America's 250th birthday in 2026. The new design bursts with patriotic colors, fireworks, and symbols that leave no doubt about its American roots. The White House hyped the redesign on social media, calling it the Patriot Passport Unlocked, complete with a bald eagle emoji. The announcement quickly went viral, sparking memes, heated threads, and plenty of hot takes. The move transforms what was once a routine document into a lightning rod for conversation, a symbol of a particular brand of American pride and inevitably controversy. Suddenly, a passport isn't just about travel, it's about identity. Some Americans are eager to get their hands on the new design, seeing it as a collector's item or a point of pride. Others are baffled, frustrated, or even embarrassed by the overt political statement. It raises a big question. Should a passport be a neutral proof of citizenship, or is it fair game as a canvas for political statements and national branding? The Trump passport is anything but subtle, igniting passionate debate about patriotism, personality, and what it means to represent America abroad. For some, it's a badge of honor. For others, a source of discomfort. Whether you see it as tribute or vanity, one thing's certain, getting through customs is about to get a lot more interesting, with reactions from border agents likely as varied as those back home. Only in America could a passport spark this much debate, turning a travel document into a cultural flashpoint overnight. We can't even agree on what our official documents should look like, but that's part of what makes the American story so unique and so endlessly fascinating. Let's break down the new passport's look. Front and center is a stern portrait of Trump, taken from his second inaugural photo. It's not just any image, but one chosen to project authority and seriousness, setting the tone for the entire document. The cover alone makes a bold first impression, signaling that this passport is unlike any before. Behind him, a faint image of the Declaration of Independence, layered for dramatic effect, reminds holders of the nation's founding ideals. This subtle backdrop adds a sense of history and gravity, as if every trip begins with a nod to America's origins. Trump's signature, in shimmering gold ink, completes the inside cover. The flourish of gold isn't just decorative, it's meant to evoke prestige and exclusivity, almost like a limited edition collectible. The back features a section of John Trumbull's Declaration of Independence painting, linking Trump's image to America's founding. This artistic choice is deliberate, blending past and present in a single striking visual. The design is bold, grand, and impossible to ignore, more commemorative coin than travel document. Every detail is crafted to stand out, making it clear this passport is meant to be noticed. Supporters say it injects personality and relevance into a stale design, arguing that it finally reflects the spirit of its era and the leader who shaped it. Critics call it a gaudy display of ego, turning a symbol of unity into personal branding. They worry it overshadows the passport's true purpose and divides more than it unites. Either way, it's a conversation starter, sparking debate at home and abroad about what a passport should represent. This passport doesn't whisper, it shouts, demanding attention wherever it goes, and making a statement before a single word is spoken. No one will ever look at a U.S. passport the same way again. It's a radical departure from tradition, ensuring it will be remembered for years to come. It's a statement piece for a divisive era, capturing both the spirit and the controversy of its time. The Trump passport launches summer 2026, just in time for America's 250th anniversary. Only 25,000 special editions will be issued, making it an instant collector's item. The catch? It's the default for in-person renewals at the Washington Passport Agency. Elsewhere, you can still opt for the traditional design. This creates a two-tiered system, standard for most, special edition for those in the right place or seeking it out. The limited run ensures buzz and scarcity, especially among Trump supporters. Diplomats and journalists in D.C. will be among the first to get it, guaranteeing media attention. It's a carefully managed release. Think sneaker drop, but for federal ID. Officials say the redesign is about patriotism and celebrating America's 250th, not politics. The State Department's official line is enhanced imagery for the anniversary, but the White House confirmed Trump's portrait behind the scenes. Supporters argue it connects government to the people, making the passport a living piece of history. But the timing coincides with the Save America Act, which would require passports to vote in federal elections. By putting Trump's face on the passport, the administration links citizenship, voting, and presidential branding. It's a clever mix of policy and image, turning a travel document into a political tool. The line between patriotism and presidential promotion has never been blurred. For over a century, U.S. passports have been politically neutral, never featuring a sitting president. Traditionally, they showcase national symbols, not current leaders. Historians call this move wacky and unprecedented, warning it politicizes a document meant to unite, not divide. The presidency is an institution, not a personality cult. Hence, no living presidents on currency or passports. This redesign blurs the line between honoring the nation and glorifying its leader. Experts worry it sets a dangerous precedent. Will every administration want their own passport? What was once a symbol of unity could become a shifting political billboard. The Trump passport has split the country. Critics call it narcissistic and divisive. Supporters see it as a bold tribute. Opponents argue a passport should represent all Americans, not just one leader's base. Online backlash is fierce, with parody designs and hashtags like #NotMyPassport trending. Supporters praise the design as strong and patriotic, dismissing critics as partisan. For them, it's a rejection of bureaucratic blandness and a celebration of Trump's impact. The debate boils down to this: is a passport a neutral tool or a canvas for political expression? The fight over this little blue book is now a proxy for the larger culture war. America's identity is on the line, one passport at a time. The passport redesign is just one part of a sweeping Trump-era branding campaign, a movement that's reaching into nearly every corner of American life. Trump's name and image are appearing on currency, coins, federal buildings, and even military hardware, transforming everyday objects into political statements. Plans include a Trump dollar coin, his signature on bills, and banners on government properties, each one a reminder of the administration's reach and influence. Even national park passes and a new class of battleships will bear his name, signaling a shift in how America presents itself both at home and abroad. This isn't just about one document. It's a fundamental shift in how a president brands the nation, blurring the lines between personal legacy and national identity. The passport is the most visible symbol, but the real question is, should national symbols be timeless and neutral, or should they reflect the politics and personalities of the moment? The answer to that question will shape America's identity for years to come, influencing how future generations see their country. The debate is bigger than a passport. It's about who we are as a nation and what we want our symbols to say about us to the world.